I see Olly, 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 where are you? I don't know where he's gone. I'm looking around here and I've found some vacuum cleaners. I don't know why they're here, but I think they got wet in the rain last night. And we're going to test them for height. Height? I'm going to throw them anyway. I'm going to use somebody else's arms. Okay, so I'm going to go back down into the garden down here and get the vacuum cleaner. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's not on. Wait a minute. There it is. Whoops, I dropped it. Oh, what do I got no legs and arms. How am I going to pick that up? How am I going to pick that up? John, come and help me down here. Okay. I've climbed all the way up here with no arms, no legs, and I found it. I put it here. Here it is. Oh, it's just dropped away by itself. It's so scared. We're going to go here. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to pick it up. I can't pick it up. Oh, what am I down here? I'll go down. Oh, there we go. I got it. I think I got it. No, let's go. Oh, no, I dropped it again. Oh, this is bloody hard work, you know. Oh, there we go. Oh, bloody hell. There we go. Oh, I think I got it now. I'll put it here for a minute. So I can talk with you. So, I'm going to we're up here. See, look where we are. We're on the veranda. I'm going to drop it down there. Down there. Ready? Well, I've got it in my mouth. I'm going to try and pick it up. Here we go. Oh, I can't help it. There we go. Oh, okay. And here we go. Yep, here we go. No. Here we go. Thanks, John. Thanks for your help, John. Ready? Go. Ooh, that's bad. But it hasn't broken. It's still okay. What do you think? Pass? 9 out of 10? Ooh. Better hide it. I've got it down here. I'm going to go down there. I've stood it all up. I want to see if it still works. Alright? Here we go. Slowly down here. So, are you following me? Yes, I'm following you. Down here. John? Yes? Can you open it for me? Okay. Here you go. Whoop! It still works. It's amazing. That's amazing. Thanks, John. Bye. One more time. Alright. Pass it up, John. There you go. Ha 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 ha.